Good morning, you guys. Welcome in to day 9 of Vlogmas in this set of vlogs. Let's see. So this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, get through Thursday. I'm really just gonna be working again, because that's what happens, but I'll also try to include some of my at-home life. So both kids are kind of just chilling right now. I just finished getting ready real fast for the day. So yeah, I'm gonna go hang with them. I'm probably gonna have a breakfast drink. And we're probably all just gonna kind of chill and hang out in just a little bit. Evie's gonna be taking her nap. And then my dad is actually coming to pick up at least Owen, maybe both kids, but I know Owen for sure, just so that way then he can see them. And Owen loves seeing his Oma and Opa. Okay, I'll put it back on just a second, baby. So right now I'm just making us something to eat. Owen colored on his face. That's fun, right? Yeah, I was literally folding laundry and he had his back turned to me, and all of a sudden I saw him turn around and he went, and I was like, all right, well, I'll clean it off your face in a minute. But hey, what are you about to eat for snack?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. So that's our check-in. Okay, so my dad picked up the kids just a little while ago. I finished up their laundry, which reminds me that I can mark it off my little list here. And I picked out the stuff. I can mark that off too. I need to ship those packages. I'm gonna do that whenever I go to pick the kids up, but I need to take pictures because it's a lot easier to do without the kids here and not something I can do at night, which I've explained before. I feel like a lot of this, I thought my life would be so much more interesting not having a traditional job, and I do think aspects of it are interesting, but I still have to work, so it still is the same things, just maybe not every day. But I still need to picture, write descriptions, bag weigh, all of those things. But then I also have to, I've created a lipstick. I'm so excited. It's so cute. I hope I can do this and it not fall out. Mine's a little messy because I was futzing with it. But, oh my goodness, there it is. So exciting. But I need to make some so that way they can get listed. Or put up for sale, not listed. Different job. Putting in between, need more coffee. Made coffee earlier, have yet to drink it. Now it's definitely cold, need to put it over ice. And have it, but yeah, I've just been watching some YouTube and getting some things done. Oh, I also need to, seeing the menu back here, reminded me I need to start marinating the steak because we're gonna do steak nachos tonight, which I'm excited about. I love steak nachos so much. So yep. Okay, so I just had kind of lunch. It was more just like a snack. I wasn't super hungry since I'd had kind of an early lunch. I've got about an hour. I've already taken the pictures. Now I'm working on the descriptions for things. I did marinate the steaks. I did that. So really all I have left to do is my reselling work, because I can't do the lipsticks. I'll probably do the lipsticks on Wednesday, and then I also probably will do listing Hallmark ornaments and working on listing jewelry or getting those descriptions done, then focusing on this stuff today, which I only have 14 items maybe. So it really shouldn't take me too long, I hope. Hoping that I can get it done in an hour and then still leave myself some time. I just got 2 orders in for some Hallmark ornaments. And because I'm making a trip to the post office on my way to pick up the kids, I want to make sure that I get those done. So, gotta focus in, get this done. Okay, so I am about close to an hour. I had 4 things left, but I don't think that I can complete them and get the things shipped before, or ready to ship before I need to go pick up the kids, because I'm really excited to see them because I miss them so much whenever they aren't here. Anyways, I just saw that Mercari released a statement that starting January 6th, they are reintroducing selling fees. I think it's only 10%, which isn't terrible, but I loved the no fees that they had. I loved the no seller fees. It was awesome. I didn't really notice a decline. Maybe it won't be a big deal. And I mean, like I said, 10% isn't like that much. Maybe it will encourage people to buy, hopefully, fingers crossed. Otherwise, I'm going to be really upset that they changed their fee structure, because they just changed it. I think maybe it was back in April, May, that they did the 0 selling fees. I don't understand why all of these platforms, like Poshmark did it, they attempted to change their fee structure and then they ended up changing it back. Mercari just changed their fee structure and now they're changing it again. Like, can we just please decide? Please. Thanks. Good morning. Welcome to day 10. Today is day 10. Owen's drawing. You want to show me your drawing? Very good, baby. He's drawing. Evie is down for her morning nap. It's almost 9:30, a little bit before. And I'm starting to edit Vlogmas because I find if I do it kind of periodically, or at least like halfway through the set of vlogs, though now I'm realizing it's not halfway through. This is only day 9. Anyways, regardless, if I do it kind of periodically, it helps. So, that's what's going on here. Guys, both kids are actually napping at the same time again, and I cannot believe it. So, I'm trying to finish up things that I didn't finish yesterday for my resale work, so where I plug everything in and weigh it. And then I just have to take pictures of those 3 shoes. I don't know that I will get it done before one of them wakes up, but as long as Owen sleeps, or at least while one of them is asleep, I should have time to finish it, assuming that they sleep long enough. And then after that, I'm going to get them in the car. We're going to go to my grandpa's house, and he's putting like ornaments on his tree. And so we're going to go do that with him when they both wake up, but I would be okay if they took good naps. Really okay. Good morning, you all. It's already been one of those crazy hectic mornings. I said before, I don't like Wednesdays because Jacob has like a morning meeting, and so like he gets up earlier, so the kids don't get up earlier, and I don't know, it makes me feel like I've lived 100 days by the time it's 8:30. So that's what time I think it is right now. I think it's almost 8:30 or 8:30. Starting laundry again. I have 2 loads I have to do today. One's already in, so 1 more load after this. Owen threw his and Evie's diapers everywhere over his room, so I will need to clean those up. My dad is coming to get them today for a little bit, which is good, so I can get some work and stuff done, and probably honestly a little bit of cleaning if I can't get it done when Evie's taking her nap. I also like don't feel good this morning, so that's definitely not helping this morning's events. Okay, so I'm checking in again. I haven't checked in really since this morning, although I did show like a little clip of me, the end kind of part of me making lipsticks, which actually turned out good, which is good because I needed a win today. Some of the reason I didn't vlog today is today's just been a bad day. nothing has seemed to go right. But, you know, we're headed home now. My dad watched the kids. So he got to see his Oma and Opa. Well, they both got to see their Oma and Opa. I got the lipsticks made. I got some things cleaned, and I got myself clean, which I needed, and I felt a lot better after my shower this morning too. So now we're going home. We're gonna have dinner, maybe make some cookies. It's gonna be a better night than it was a day. Good morning, welcome to day 12. Just got everything up and ready. Jacob just left for work. It's a little bit after 8 right now. And Owen and I are gonna watch The Grinch again, but this time I'm gonna make him do a different Grinch, like the live action one. Yeah, we watch this? You want to watch this? Okay. So yeah, that is what we are going to do. Evie is still sleeping. She actually slept really good last night, so I think that she is tired. So yeah, but she'll probably be up soon. Okay, sorry if it's a little loud. I've got the microwave going to defrost some hamburger meat because I'm going to make hamburger helper for lunch for Owen and I, even though it's kind of early. We eat at weird times. I've said this before. I'll say it a million times probably. But we didn't really have anything like pre-ready, and I didn't really want like a sandwich. So now that I'm saying it, it doesn't sound awful, but I'm already defrosting meat. And then Jacob can take it for work tomorrow, or we'll still have leftovers for lunch. So yeah. Also, don't you love this sweatshirt? I love it. I got it last year, I think. So I love it. Yep. Oh, I was gonna say, if you want something that'll occupy your kids for a period of time, if you let them paint with water on paper, it usually lasts Owen a good while, and it's not very messy because the water just dries. He's drinking the water. I mean, there was no paint in it. There was no paint on the paintbrush. So, yeah. There's that. Okay, so Owen is taking a nap right now. I don't know how long he'll actually sleep. Evie's awake. She's chilling, playing with a toy, and I'm gonna try to maybe get a little something done. I have another load of laundry going because laundry seemingly never ends in my house, so I think we all feel that way. But like, I don't remember when laundry started piling up this bad, and it's not like I wear like a million outfits a day. Like, I have my PJs, and then I have my clothes on for the day, and as long as I'm not going anywhere nice, like, I don't change out of them until I get back into PJs. So I don't know how this happens. Same with the kids and with Jacob, so I don't know, man. It's a vicious cycle. Vicious web we weave. Okay, so it's like 4 o'clock, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this set of vlogs here just because Jacob's gonna come home. We're gonna have our nightly eat out tonight, Thursday. Or our, not nightly eat out, our weekly eat out tonight, and have a movie night and all of those good things. So I want to be able to just step away from my phone and just spend family time together, or together as time with our little family. So if you did enjoy, be sure to subscribe down below. I have Vlogmas linked in the eye above. I will have all of my reselling platforms, my natural skincare makeup line linked below, all of those things. Be sure to check out the subscription box. Like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.